B says, Mr. Suarez will take flying lessons to become a commercial pilot. Each of his training sessions lasts 3.6 hours. We have a keyword there, which is each training session lasts 3.6 hours. And he will go to 5 sessions each week. So he's going to go to 5 sessions each week. To complete his training, and get his pilot's license, he must have a total of 206 hours. So we're working towards something. How many weeks will Mr. Suarez need to complete his training? So we're looking for weeks. So I'm going to go through here and I'm going to highlight. We're looking for how many weeks. And it says each session is 3.6 hours long. He goes to 5 sessions a week. Okay. Let's think this question through. Instead of Mr. Suarez, let's say you. You need to go to a training that lasts 3.6 hours. And you go every day of the week. You go to 5 sessions a week. Okay? So you're taking your 3.6 hours times 5 sessions, right? Anybody confused so far? Everybody good? Okay. That's going to complete all of the first part of the word problem. Do the math for that, and we get 6 times 5 is 30, 5 times 3 is 15, plus the 3 is 18. Bring in the decimal once, put the decimal at the end, and then bring it in. So we have 18 hours per week. Because remember, this is 5 sessions per week, right? So in 1 week, he has 18 hours. So right here, I'm going to put 1 week is equal to 18 hours. And I'm making myself what? A T-chart. Making myself a T-chart. The rest of the question says, to complete his training and get his pilot's license, he must have a total of 206 hours. That goes on this side. 206 hours. Why does it go on this side? Because this is where I have my hours. My question is asking, how many weeks? So that's where the question goes. How many weeks will he need to complete his training? So here's what we're doing. We're going from 1 to 18 going this way, right? Except that would be 1 times 18. Do I have anything starting here going that way? No. So here, working backwards means I have to divide. I have to do the opposite. Anybody confused as to why I'm doing the opposite? Okay, Aiden. 1 week is equal to 18 hours, right? We already solved that up here. Every week that this guy goes to get his license, every week he goes to 5 classes. In those 5 classes, he completes 18 hours. So week 1, 18 hours. Week 2, another 18 hours. Week 3, another 18 hours. Until he reaches what? Because this is what he needs, right? We want to know now, if he needs 206 hours, how many weeks is that? Well, this is where the question mark is. We don't have this information, do we? But on the top of my T-chart, I know that going from 1 week to 18 hours, I take my 1 times 18 and it'll give me 18, right? On the bottom, can I multiply nothing times 18 to get 206? No. But I can work backwards. I can take what I know. This is what I know. and I can work my way backwards. If I know that I need 206 hours, how many 18-hour sessions, 18-hour weeks do I need? I work backwards. I'm taking my 206 and dividing it by 18. So I'm going to go ahead and do that work over here off to the side. 18 divided into 206. Well, I'm going to start there with 18 into 20 goes one time. Subtract. 8 goes into 26 how many times? One time. Subtract. 8. Okay, then we're going to have to add another week, because when we're interpreting remainders. Remember we've done that? How many of you did what I just did, where you're like, oh, hold on, because I have a remainder. Anytime you have a remainder and you're asking yourself, but I need to find out exactly how many weeks. Well, you can find out exactly how many weeks. Here's the deal though. Let's say in that one last week, is he going to have to do the whole 5 hours? No, he's going to have just a few hours left, right?